Hello friends, I am very happy to announce the new upgraded version of Android Quran IVR app that uses voice-based command to listen to the recitation of the surahs by chapter, surah name and verse of the Holy Quran. This new verse includes enhanced UI, in fact a more intuitive UI and more simpler access to the features. And the most important feature included in this version is that now you have the option of listening to verses with translation, and at the moment there are translations available for two languages, which are English and Urdu. So using the voice command, a user can set the translations or deactivate the translations. So let us launch the application and see a quick demo. So I launched the application.
Assalamu alaikum. May peace, blessings, and guidance of the Almighty be upon you.
So for the demo purpose, I'll take a surah which has got fewer number of verses for a quick demo. So let me first play it in the default mode, that is without translation. I'll try out Surah Al-Ikhlas. Surah Al-Ikhlas.
Reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas.
So we saw that we didn't had any translation in the default mode. So just to activate the translation, we can use the commands which is mentioned on the screen. And in this new version, all those commands are mentioned directly on the home screen only, and you don't need to go to any help screen. While we have the voice customization icon on top. So okay, so let me switch to English translation first. So the command is, I just have to tap and speak English translation. Okay, so let me go ahead and do it. English translation.
Translation set to English.
Okay, now the translation is set. So now let me give a command to recite Surah Al-Ikhlas again. Surah Al-Ikhlas.
Reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas.
Say, He is Allah, who is one. Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born. Nor is there to him any equivalent.
Okay, we saw the English translation. Now let us switch to Urdu translation. So I'll do the same. I'll tap and just speak Urdu translation, and it will switch it to Urdu translation mode. So let me go ahead and do it. Urdu translation.
Translation set to Urdu.
And now let me give the command to recite Surah Al-Ikhlas once again. Surah Al-Ikhlas.
Reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas.
कहो कि वो ज़ात पाक जिसका नाम अल्लाह है, एक है। बरहक बेनियाज है। न किसी का बाप है और न किसी का बेटा। और कोई उसका हमसर नहीं।
Okay, we saw the demo of both the translations. Now if you have to deactivate the translation, you again have to tap as it is mentioned in the screen as well and just say no translation and it will deactivate the translation. So let's go ahead and do that. No translation.
Translation deactivated.
Okay, now the translation is deactivated. So let us issue a command for reciting some chapter and verse number and let's see. So I will try for chapter 1 verse 2. Chapter 1 verse 2.
Reciting chapter 1 verse 2.
So we saw now there is no translation, and whatever translation we set, it will remember that until we switch to some other mode of translation. So that was all, and rest of the features are same as version 1. Like you can customize your voice, customize your pronunciation just the way I have shown the demo in my previous videos. I'll give you the link of the previous video demo for the previous version and also the link to the Play Store for these applications in the description. So I hope you like this app and it is beneficial for the users. Also those who are developers and are interested to know how to develop this app. So I can make a complete tutorial on Android development for this app if I get enough number of requests. So you can put your requests in the comment section. So thank you and bye bye.